Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down the impact of Proposition 137 on Arizona's Supreme Court justices. This proposition, passed by voters, fundamentally changes how the state's highest court operates. So, what did it do? In short, it changed the term length for these justices. Before we get into the change, let's quickly cover the old system. Arizona uses a merit selection process. A bipartisan commission reviews applicants for a Supreme Court vacancy and sends a list of qualified candidates to the governor. The governor then appoints a justice from that list. Under the old rules, that justice would serve an initial 2 years and then face a retention election. This is a simple yes or no vote where the public decides if the justice should keep their job. If they won, they served a 6-year term and would face another retention election every 6 years after that. This system was designed to balance judicial expertise with public accountability. Now, enter Proposition 137. This ballot measure completely scraps that model. Instead of 6-year, renewable terms with retention elections, Arizona Supreme Court justices will now serve a single, non-renewable 10-year term. Once their decade is up, they're done. There are no more retention elections for them to worry about. The impact of this is huge and sparks a lot of debate. Proponents of Prop 137 argue it strengthens judicial independence. They say that without the constant pressure of facing voters, justices can make rulings based purely on the law and the Constitution, not on popular opinion or political pressure. They won't have to think about fundraising or how a tough but legally correct decision might play in a campaign. The goal is to insulate the court from the political circus, making justices more impartial. On the other side, opponents raise serious concerns about accountability. They argue that retention elections are a crucial check on judicial power. If a justice is seen as incompetent, biased, or legislating from the bench, the retention election gives voters a direct way to remove them. With a single 10-year term, a controversial or poorly performing justice stays on the court for a full decade with no recourse for the public. This change also shifts power dynamics. A governor's appointment becomes even more critical, as their choice will shape the court for a full 10 years without any public review. This could make judicial appointments more politically charged than they already are. Essentially, Proposition 137 forces Arizona to choose between two competing values, maximizing judicial independence versus ensuring public accountability. The state has now leaned heavily toward independence, and the long-term effects on its justice system will be watched closely for years to come. Thanks for watching this breakdown of Arizona's Proposition 137. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into important civic issues.